Hi guys! So I went to Plato's Clothes with my mom for my birthday, which is tomorrow, March 6th. And she got me some clothes, and I want to show you guys. So this is a clothing haul, but I listen to creepy music. Because I also got horror from the library. So excited to read it. So, alright, the first piece of clothing is from Holster, but I got it at Plato's Closet. This tank, I got it 25% off, and it's got like flowery prints, and it's super cute. Not like my style, but it's fun being different, especially when you're going to Florida. Next is a pair of super punky shorts. So if a guy ever tries to touch my sides, my hips, he'll get poked by my thorns. I will teach you, right? Next is, this one makes me really happy. This is from Sugar High. It's a smile. It's assembled in Mexico. But I think it's the American flag. And then it has a sheer back. Super cool. And then, I love these. Reverie shorts! Aren't these fun? Come little children, time to play here in the garden shadow. Okay, I'm done. Told you, this isn't even a creepy music. This is like a creepy song. And then, this is way out of my style, but I just love the color. It's just like super flirty. I'm gonna love this for the summer. And for Florida. And then, these Aztec pattern shorts with pockets. Sorry. Yeah, and they got pockets. Pockets. Can you hear me? I call to your name. Okay. I get really distracted when I listen to scary songs. Another one that has spikes on it. This is like a wash, and then you have like all these things. These feel really good. I just love the way these look on me, and legit spikes. Okay, anyone who's looking for a pair of shorts with spikes on it, or a shirt, always try to go for ones that have it clipped into the back like this instead of sewed on or glued on, because that means it's better quality and the spikes won't come off as easily, and if they do, it means the shorts are ruined or just really old. Let's go. I was a girl just like you. Sorry, I'm getting over a cold. Why am I singing? Okay, now we're getting like super indie. I'm not gonna lie. But I love these two shirts. I love my elephant shirt. I am missing some stuff. I must have left it in the car. I'm sorry. I had a black shirt too. That's super cute. Yep, elephant shirt. I wear that with a leather jacket. It looks super cute. And then, I don't know how to explain this. It's just like my all-seeing eye shirt. But the back's super cool too, because it's like all twisted. And finally, my favorite of all of these, and also the most adult thing in all of them, it makes me feel very adultish, is this dress. Ew. And then the back is open. It just makes me look my age, which is hard because, I mean, look at me. Not very 18 looking, am I? So, yeah. That's what I got. And a black shirt wherever it went. Okay. I'm extremely hyper, because I am. So, I apologize about that. But if you want to see more videos, click that button down below and subscribe. Also, like this video. And tell me, girls, is any of this, would you wear it? If not, I'm sorry. If you don't like this style of clothing, I'm sorry. I do. So, bleh. I am feeling childish too, so, But I haven't checked the closet. Ding dong, K-U-I, ding dong. When this game. Alright, bye, lovelies. I was singing several songs. And I am sick. So that's why I sound like this. No one else is left. Ding dong, this is my goodbye.